Alright, so here are 1,000 cable ties from Harbor Freight. You can see Harbor Freight info right there. These are terrible. Okay, as you can see, I've used a bunch of the black ones. And by used, what I really mean is snapped. They're not really... One doesn't really use these. One just breaks them. So, here's a device for attaching cable ties. So what I'll do is I'll attach a cable tie to it. Are you ready? It's going to snap somewhere. I don't quite know where, but we're going to find out. You ready? Huh. Look at that. It snapped. Who knew? Okay, I totally knew. And if we clamp it a little bit. This is hard to do. It broke. It took no effort. That was the black one. Here's the yellow one. Let's see if the yellow one does any better. And how will I do this? I don't really know. I'll just put it around the handle here. I don't know how the yellow ones do. The black ones snap really easily. Nope, it's not going to snap. So maybe it's just the black ones that are really, really terrible. Okay, we've also got purple. Does purple break? Yes. They're not as easy as the black ones. So the black ones, you can see they just snap. Yellow ones don't seem to snap. Let's see about the purple ones. Yep, those ones are alright. The little blue ones? No, these ones are okay. I've got green and red ones that I haven't opened yet. I've got these big white ones. Like this. Nope, these ones don't break either. Okay, back to another black one. So, alright, so this seems okay. Or not. Talk about brittle. Well, if you ever buy or you want to use zip ties from Harbor Freight, do not get the black ones. Okay? Huh. This one seems good. It's so weird. Huh. Alright, so one out of however many there were in that. Yeah, this one's not snappy either. No explanation. 2 in a row, didn't break. I've broken like literally all the rest of them. There we go, that one snapped. No idea. Anyway, they're junk. Don't use the black ones.